Today we will be opening every single pack in the lightning round section. Let's start. Icon pick. Oh god, yes. We got two Verons? Nah, bro. Icon pack. Come on. Oh, Van Persie? Miss Roy. That's a bit too loud. Okay. Raul. Fernando Torres? What? Trust champions pick. Come on. Something. Take Nashton Wayne. Let's see. From now, let's see how many times can we get profit. Okay, we're not getting profit out of this. We can get anything. Ronaldo. Hook off. Thank you. That was worth 400,000. We actually got profit. This is 700,000 coins. We got a lot. We got a lot back. Thank you. 3 million coins, and the first card is Saka. Hey, we got a profit again. We're getting profit left, right, and center. House Champions 3, 1 million coins. And we don't get it. Come on, you had to ruin that streak. Toss Champions 2. Let's go. This is like, I think, check the price. It didn't really check the price. Oh, did we get a profit? Tell me in the comments. Did you get a profit? Tell me in the comments. I didn't really check the price. This is 300,000 cards. We have to get something. This is gonna be Herrera. Look at this. I knew it. It's a star. That's right. Let's look at this double walkout. Euros player, of course. Boanga. Classic. Combining those two packs together literally wasn't even worth 600,000 coins. So it's 500,000. We better be getting something. Oh, Musiala! Bro. Royce! That's not bad. Royce, that's class. Yeah. Make your mark. This is 600,000 coins. McKenny, Musa. He did get a bit profit. He didn't get a lot. 1 million worth. Valverde. We got the other Uruguay. 1.2 million coins. I'll take Fabian Ruiz. Bruno Fernandes. He's 100,000 coins less. So we'll take it. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.